So I've been trying to do a little bit more with my show. Got some plans in the works. And yeah, stay tuned, check it out.
Okay, so I'm going to make two promises for this video. First, I got a really big announcement, so I'm going to share something with you. And second, I am going to fall down on my face before this show is over.
I've logged a lot of miles this year, and something that just kind of been a reoccurring theme is there are roads that my bike can't take. It's just not able to. And not that I'm afraid to try. I've tried many a trail on this bike. It's just not up to it. It sits too low, tires aren't made for it, you know, it doesn't have the traction it needs to, it weighs too much. There are a lot of limitations. Well, these are the roads that I've been missing out on. Stuff like this.
So while I debated whether or not I should take my bike out on another trail, I had an epiphany. I thought, why don't I buy another bike?
Day one. Wow. Well, I knew it was going to happen. I didn't expect it to be 24 hours from when I got it home. But, you know, she's broken in now. I feel good about it. The mirrors need some adjusting. My ego needs some pumping up. But, other than that, I think we're all good. No broken bones. Alright, so it's kind of windy, falling down on my face, my pride hurts, so I think I'm gonna go home.
So thanks again for watching my show. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps out my show, and quite frankly, it just makes me feel good.